So the latest commitment of traders report out of the CFTC, these figures are released on Friday, but they're as of last Tuesday. When it comes to the US dollar index, they reduced both long and short positioning, but they reduced longs by more, and that's kind of resulted in a reduction in the percentage long buys. Overall, they're on the right side of the trade, and that's because the US dollar was it was the clear outperformer in the FX market last week. When it comes to the other FX majors in the euro, interesting, since 2018, we've never seen majority long buys. Well, they shifted to majority long last week, and again, it's the first time since 2018. It'll be interesting to see whether or not they continue to hold that majority long buys for some time, or whether they'll shift back to majority short. Euro obviously couldn't best the US dollar in terms of FX performance, and when it comes to the pound, although they were on the wrong side of this move all the way down from 130, 132, all the way down into the 114s, the fact of the matter is that on Tuesday as of Tuesday, I should say, there was a significant increase in short positions, and of course those short positions have a lot to cheer about because price dropped just between Tuesday to Friday from 122 all the way down to 114s. That's taking the pound long buys lower. When it comes to the safe haven currencies, when it comes to the yen, they reduced short positions significantly, and that's taken majority long buys in the yen up into heavy long territory. Also a similar story when it comes to the franc, and although they were outperformers compared to the rest of the FX majors, they couldn't best the US dollar. So far it hasn't necessarily been in their favor when it comes to safe haven currencies. Where it has been in their favor, again, is commodity currencies. They remain majority short in all three, and in the case of the New Zealand dollar, taking that bias up to a heavy short 75%. When it comes to commodities, we'll start with oil, and in this case, there was a real reduction in oil short positions. They may not have timed that properly, of course, because oil prices dropped further towards the end of the week to around 20. So that means that but overall, they remain extreme long, and when it comes to precious metals, they reduce both long and short positioning, again, for the second week running in all four: gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, and they remain majority long in all four of them. When it comes to gold, the buy is going up to an extreme long 90%, and when it comes to palladium, a much more moderate 60%. Lastly, in indices, majority long in all three. They did reduce long positions at both Dow and NASDAQ.